Right, I'll be on. Welcome to part 1 of Orchard House project. It's like 2 years in, but started now in it, and I'm just getting the old septic tank in now, treatment plant or whatever. But yeah, man, you see it over there. Lovely little abode. Dirt old thing, but yeah, chucking some fucking stuff in there. Let's see how we get on. Clearer. Huh? Yeah. Hormones. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah. Oh yeah. Good boy.
Hi.
Got her in there now, ladies and gentlemen. There she be, sitting pretty, you know. Fucking. Yeah, cock on, mate, cock on. Got the pipe in. Gonna fill up some water now, and yeah, nah, she's in there. But phone died when it was just about to drop, like just about to go in. But I got me porty on the go now. Just got an apple off the floor, like can't beat it, can ya?
If you don't mind me putting your phone in there. You don't mind me putting your phone in there?
Yeah, go on. Not like in there.
Yeah, you got it. Oh, I'll do it on mine then.
Don't drop it. Oh. No, you can put it in there.
You need a light on there.
Oh, hang on, I got one.
We'll do a light on
There we
there.
go. Don't drop it.
Well, try not to.
Right, it's fucking nice.
It would be nice if I didn't, wouldn't it? Oh, yeah. Oh, that is shit. Oh, you see the other chamber of that, Doing 360.
Yeah, sick.
If I don't, your phone is screwed. Still warm though.
Nice.
Oh.
What's that? What's going on?
Combobulated.
Yeah, combobulator on the bumpers.
On the bumpers.
On the bumper, like combobulator not working. Battery's dead, people. Right nose. Right nose. Alright. Whoa. Yeah, man. Think of that, Nance.
It's amazing.
Fire mine, isn't it? Come on, that's it. Plain. Bit of grub for the old chicken, look. Come on, come on. Oh yeah, what's that? Go on, go on, go on. Look. Oh, he likes that. Oh yeah. Definitely working, isn't he, now? Good boy. What's that? That's alright.
We're gonna go in.
Alright.
See you later.
Fun. Good pleasure. Could have done it that way. All that brush, man. That's what I mean. Stained up now.
Last join complete.
Oh, he's fucking kite, man.
Yeah. All the way from the septic tank. Now he's connected to the soakaway. Job's a good one.
To the council sewer, don't tell him.
Yeah. Now we've just got to stone it up. Pipes in, complete. Just got to backfill it now. Get a bit of dirt on the old girl. Job's a good one. Oh look. Oh, he's having a piss. Who is it, Truff? New friend.
Hello, bro. Don't be too unsociable.
Oh yeah. Go on in, Truff. Who's that, Bruno?
He
Don't give a fuck.
does not care. You only put 2 forks in, they think there's 2 people.
Don't even come without any salad in it.
No.
Nice little treat to end the work day, eh? We're on day 2, getting this septic tank in. Just got the bumper started. Jesse's on the digs. Gonna take some stone over and fill it up. Say hello. What? Yeah. Chickens are happy with the tracks. Oh, there he is, sir. Oh, fuck. Fuck it. Got that amount of dirt moved, flattened the old lot out and filled it in. It's all a bit rough at the moment, but once it settles it'd be nice. And that's all that's left. The only evidence of the fucking thing. Got the rest of the old drive stoned up with what we had left over from the tank. Looks alright. Little blinding over the top though.